Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a discipline of digital marketing that uses strategies to increase organic traffic to a web page from results in search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing.
And with the growing importance of online content today, it's essential to implement blog post SEO as best you can. I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and that's what we're here to help you with.
From a macro level, the more high-quality content you publish to your site about a specific topic of your industry, the more likely is someone is going to stumble on your website when searching terms associated with that topic.
For instance, if you're a dog food company, you might assume that people interested in training a puppy may also purchase dog food. Therefore, you write and publish several articles on the topic of puppy training with the hope of generating more visitors to your blog and ultimately more customers.
While that high-level strategy is important, there are also ways to optimize your content on a micro level. Remember, not all blog articles are created equal.
Creating great content which your target audience can engage with is the foundation of an effective on-site SEO strategy. So let's talk about selecting the right content.
Your topic should have quality content, as that's important to SEO. It'll be easier to write great content if you're the subject matter expert.
You should do some keyword research to see what people are looking for in search engines on your topic. There are SEO tools out there that can help you with this, like Google Keyword Planner.
For example, you may discover that people search for best dog food more than they search for cheapest dog food, which may lead you to write a blog post about the best dog foods for German Shepherds instead of the cheapest dog foods for German Shepherds.
Once you've selected your topic, it's time to write. Start with your article outline so you stay focused on your main points.
Focus on the introduction. This is the most important section of your article. From a blog post SEO perspective, you want to work your most targeted keywords into the beginning of your introduction to signal keyword relevance to search engines.
And you want your readers to stay on your page and keep reading. So the introduction is kind of important.
To help your article flow, use appropriate headings throughout. This is a great way to further communicate the relevant topics to search engine crawlers and to give readers who skim the ability to jump to sections they want.
Another thing to keep in mind is search engines and readers love lists. If you're discussing steps or emphasizing important topics, use them. This breaks up paragraphs and helps with scalability of the content.
If you followed along, you're almost blog SEO ready. The last thing you should do is use your keywords throughout your post.
Yeah, don't just use them in the introduction. Make sure you use them in the body and conclusion of your blog post too.
When you've done all the things we mentioned, your draft is ready. Make sure you read, edit, revise, and optimize as appropriate.
There's so much more to blog post SEO than just writing a great article, but it's one of the best places to start. I'm Darlene. This is Emily. Happy blog post SEO maximizing.